Hey teachers, in this video, I'll be showing you how we go about creating a essay type examination. So as per normal, once we logged in and we're on the dashboard, we'd identify the subject that we'd like to create the examination for. We click on the view button in the actions column. And once we're in the subject information page, we go to online exams. From here, we just click create and we put in our exam title. So let's say mock exam number 2. We'd select a category, so let's say it's a class test. If there's any description, minimum pass marks, so let's say 30. What percentage it's worth of the final, so let's say 10. We'd select our start date, so let's say the exam will start from the 25th. We'd put at what time, so let's say at 9 a.m. We'd select it schedule type, and there are two types. If we select fixed, then the examination will start and end on the same day and will last, once the student clicks start, it will last for however long you specify the duration. If we select flexible, then the examination can start on the 25th or 24th and either end on 30th, 31st, or any other date that we specify. However, once the student clicks start, they can only partake the exam for the however long you specify. So let's say 1 hour. However, for this testing, let's just select fixed, and it's an hour, and it starts at 9 and ends at 10 a.m. Since it's a essay type question, then we cannot allow instant scoring, because instant scoring only work for multiple choice examination. We'd say yes that we'd like to allow the students to view their answers and review their submissions. Once we finish filling out this page, we go ahead and click save. From here, we can go ahead and put in our questions. So to do that, we just click on the add question button on the top of the screen. And we can say, explain how to install Google Chrome. Once we're finished putting in the question, we can go ahead and put in how much marks this question is worth. So let's say 10, and then we'd select a question type. If we select multiple choice, then we can go ahead and put in our answers and which is the correct answer. If it's a short, since it's an explanation question, we can go ahead and say it's a long answer and then click save. We can also go ahead and ask another question. To do such, we just click add question. We put in our question and we can say explain how to uninstall from your computer. Once you're finished, we can then go ahead and put in our marks. Let's say this one's worth 20 marks. We'd go ahead and select it's a long answer or a short answer. And once we're finished, we can click save. Once you click save, you'll be able to see all the questions that we've added. And once we're finished, we'd review our questions and review our examination information. We can then go ahead and click save and publish the exam later. If we'd like to publish the exam now, then we can go ahead and just click publish exam. And once you click proceed, the exam would be available for students to take within the date that we specify. So if we go back to online exam, the students can partake the exam within the date that we specify. If we click on the paper icon within the actions column, we get to see a preview of what the students get to see when they're taking the examination. So teachers, that is how we go about adding a short answer or a essay type question examination for students.